At HAPLAST, one of Vietnam's leading plastic packaging manufacturers, every large black garbage bag is made from high-quality recycled LDPE through a modern and closed-loop production line. The plastic pellets are melted and blown into giant black film tubes. The film is cooled and stretched to ensure even thickness, around 25 microns. Using advanced flexographic printing, the brand logo and product information are printed clearly. The film passes through smooth rollers to be flattened and then rolled into large coils. The film is then sealed and cut into large bags about 1 meter wide. Each bag is carefully checked by workers, ensuring strong seals, smooth surfaces, and perfect quality. Every 10 bags are neatly folded, sealed in transparent packaging, and prepared for shipment. From recycled plastic to finished products, HAPLAST proudly delivers sustainable, durable, and high-quality packaging solutions.